a thunderstorm?
A storm that consists of rain, lightning, and thunder.
Thunderstorms form when the air is full of warm moisture or vapor. The vapor cools as it rises and forms a cumulus cloud. If the cumulus clouds have enough moisture, the tops of the clouds will get really big. The cloud is now recognized as a cumulonimbus cloud. As the air inside the cloud moves upward, it creates an updraft. While it occurs inside the cloud, vapor turns into water droplets. As they fall, they create downdrafts.
Hail can damage cars and windows, and flash flooding and lightning can kill people and damage homes. Every thunderstorm has lightning.
The upward wind speed inside the cumulus cloud can reach up to 100 miles per hour.
An estimate is that about 24,000 people will die from lightning each year. They're detected with the weather satellites. Meteorologists also use the radars to detect the severe weather.
The most devastating thunderstorm was on May 5, 1955, in Fort Worth, Texas. The hail damage was over $2 billion, not counting the wind and rain damages.
What are your thoughts on thunderstorms?
Your thought on thunderstorms?
They're horrible.
That's all I can say. What are your thoughts on thunderstorms?
I like thunderstorms.
What are your thoughts on thunderstorms?
I like thunderstorms because I get to take a nap.
What are your thoughts on thunderstorms?
What? And the who now and the where now?
I don't know.
Thoughts on thunderstorms?
They're dangerous. They cause people to die.
Our severe weather is a thunder. Our severe weather is a thunder. Our severe weather is a thunder.
Our severe I can't talk.
For thunderstorm development.
Favorable for thunderstorm development.
How are thunderstorms measured?
It's in pink. News: 24,000 people die every single year from thunderstorms.
And that was our severe weather.